Hey everybody, welcome to the property chat with me, K to the Jizo, and in this week's video, man, we're super excited because there's another rate cut go South Africa. We had a rate cut last year, November 22, and it was 25 basis points. And there was a lot of disappointments, even though it was good news, but there was a lot of disappointment because we expected about 50 basis points, and that did not happen. But the experts then said, don't worry, there will be rate cuts 2025. And then today, the 30th of January 2025, we had another rate cut, 25 basis points. So today, the South African Reserve Bank committee, monetary policy committee, they met and they did the voting and they cut off 25 basis points, which is quite exciting. And that means the repo rate is 7.50%, and then prime lending is 11%. Prime lending, that's the one that the bank, the Radiman their mortgage loan. And it moved from 11.50 November 22 to 11.25. Today, 11% straight. That's quite exciting. And they expect, again, they're saying there's a lot of they forecasting that we might have another one, probably second semester in a third term, kabo October, September, or going to December, fourth quarter. We don't know. We shall be waiting. We love them, man. Keep them coming. Just keep on chopping. I remember when I bought my first house, the interest rate nearly 7%. Nearly 7% 2011. Now 2025 11%. So there's been a big growth, but we know why. But let's get into the details, man. Let's get into the juice of things. When there's rate cuts like this, what does it mean for KG and for you? What does it mean for you and for me? So let's say December. You were quite excited. You decided to buy a house, and you bought a house. 700,000 rents in a good place. Go Rodiport. Go a nice location, and you bought an apartment, and then the apartment you bought it the previous rate, which is 11.75%, and then your rates were not fixed, like the variables. They go up and down as the South African Reserve Bank and the community meet, and then they cut them. They then affect. If they go up, then they go up, down, go down. They are not fixed ones. And we're going low, man. We're investing. So that's 30%. So your repayment without insurance, without all of those, it would be 6,798 rands per month for 30 years. And then after the rate cuts here today, which is 11%, so it means you will be paying, this is a funny number, look at this number, you're going to pay 6,666. What is the difference? The difference might look small, and the difference is 132 rents. You know, like you look at it like, damn, 132 is a very small amount of money. I know it sounds small, but man, focus on the small money. Take care of the small money, and then the big ones will take care of themselves. I've done a video about repaying your property very fast, your house fast. Check out this video for details. In that video, I said about 137. If you pay extra 137 to your mortgage, if you pay just 137 to your mortgage, that can save, that small amount of money can save you 300,000 rands in interest. Did you hear that? It can save you 300,000 in interest. So if you're thinking a KG is very smart, how did he calculate all of this? Man, I'm not smart. I'm not that smart. I'm not that smart. I just read. I just love reading. If you want to calculate how much you're going to pay back from now on, there's Go Property 24. You can go. There's an additional payment calculator. Check it out, and they will show you how much difference you're going to pay. So let's look at the benefit in details. I've mentioned one, I gave you a scenario. So the benefits in details. So for current homeowners, what does it mean to you? And then we're also going to look at people who wants to get into property. What does it mean to them? So current owners, it means that you have low monthly repayment. So instead of paying 6,798, you're paying 6,666. That's extra money for you. So with this rate cut, it goes down. At least give you some air to breathe. Even though it does not look like it's a big money, but you get to breathe, man. Any reduction, it's good, especially when coming to expenses. I think so. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And then there might be increased cash flow, that at least you have some few coins to spare. You can put it somewhere. Maybe that will be your 130 rands date with your loved ones, or maybe with your children once a week, and you're taking them somewhere, maybe after a swimming lesson, a ballet lesson, then you take them to, at least you have that money. Or you can put it somewhere, save it. But if you want, you can pay off your mortgage. You leave it there. You leave it right there. You don't touch it. You just speak to your bank. Please, bank, I was paying 6,798 per month. Keep that money like that. Do not reduce it. I want to pay exactly that amount. And then that will then fight your interest. For details, check this video out. But what about the people who just want to come into the property space, the potential buyers? There will be improved affordability. Remember, they went to the bank and said, please borrow us money. The bank said, for now, man, you cannot afford, or we can only give you 70%. There was 2 rate cuts in 3 months. November, today. That's 50 basis points down. 50 basis point down. That means, man, you can go back to the bank and check again and say, hey, I was here last year, you said I cannot afford, but what about today? How about today? Let's check in again. Probably you can't get some. Then increase market activity. So there will be a lot of people buying properties because now the rates are going down. And in Gauteng, the market is depressed, as the Western Cape is excelling. Gauteng, Joburg, Pretoria, particularly Joburg, because not both of them. The property market is just going because there's a lot of things happening. And then in the Western Cape, almost all of it, but Cape Town is having a lot of a joy. Cape Town is enjoying itself. So that's what it means, and that's what it looks like at the moment. Remember, the interest rates are important, are good, but what I would say is there's always be up and down. They can move up anytime soon. They can go down anytime soon, depending on what's happening in the world. If you enjoyed this video, you will definitely going to enjoy this one. And if you think this video will benefit your auntie, uncle, cousin, friend, abuti, ausi, click on the share button, copy the link, send them WhatsApp fast. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please join the property chat with me, KGizo. We talking property, everything property, the ins and out, particularly the backroom investment cookers. And I will see you on the next one. Go get those properties one time.